He's pushing it closer. Oh my gosh, he really wants to wake him up. Wait for it. There it is. Eyes open. He's frozen. Another squeak. Uh-oh. And, yep, he's gone. Look at him run. Poor big guy's like, what just happened? This is too good. Not today, buddy. Okay, tiny troublemaker is sneaking in. He's pushing the squeaky alarm clock. Oh, that's loud. He's still asleep. One more nudge, right under the nose. Oh, that squeak! Eyes open, freeze! Uh-oh, the toy's still going. Big guy is waking up, and yep, busted! And he's out of here. Ooh, that woke him up. Look at that side eye. And he's gone. Poor little guy. Oh, he's going for it. Squeak! And mission accomplished. Big brother is officially awake. Look at that face. He's like, who set the alarm? Tiny boss right here. He cannot believe. Oh, here we go. He's sliding it in like a little alarm clock. Wait for it. Squeak number 2. Big guy's awake. Look at that face. He knows he's in trouble. Another squeak, and yep, he's gone.
Beep, 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 beep. Rise and shine. Schedule says 7:01.
5 more minutes.
Nope. Look, clock hands right here. See? Circle, circle. Time to get
You're
up.
making up clocks again.
It's called responsibility.
Fine. I'm
And
up. I'm
awake.
up.
You're welcome.
Oh, he is so sneaky. Uh-oh, you woke him up. Don't move. Don't. Oh, no. He's gone. Big brother's like, mine now. Look at him. Proud.